What is going on? How's everyone doing? We should be good. We should be live. Can we see Polyswarm? He says. What's up, PJ? What's up, Silver? God got me in the house. ACS. What is that? An XCN. Oh, they decided to run today, did they? I didn't even look at them. Let's see here. Let me take this off. Yeah, not bad. Minute in, we got 11 people. How's everyone doing out there? What's up, Cha? XCN is running, huh? So it finally broke over the resistance. Oh, we're on the monthly. Hold on. Wait, where's my XCN chart? Oh, come on. XCN. Yeah, why do we have a Kraken XCN chart? Oh, yeah, she pushed through. Not bad. Let's see. XCN. Finally over that 2.6 level. Nice to see the breakout from our little pattern here. And this thing's moving now. So next resistance is the 786 here. Another 15% move or so. And then the other one you said was what? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing better than I am. Oh yeah, Polyswarm's still going. I need to make an update on the channel for this one. I saw AIs was moving too. Yeah, there's really nothing to do on here but say as long as you're over 49 or 5 pennies here, the next stop is 8.5 here. So it appears Polyswarm is headed for another, what is that, another 28% to 8.7 to get stuck. So just be aware when it comes up there, that's where you're going to get stuck at. Unless it's Polyswarm's time to go. What's up, Antonio? Jack's in the house. Jeff, David, more money. Stargate Finance token price. ACS. What is ACS? Access? I don't think we've ever looked at this one. Access protocol. Yeah, why we never look at this one? This one doesn't have a bad looking chart. It just double bottomed with a higher low. Why has no one ever brought this one up? It's on Coinbase apparently. Yeah, the bottom is in over 0028. Access protocol. I would imagine this is a low market cap on Coinbase. So as long as you stay over the 236, the 382 is coming up. That's where it's getting stuck every time. At 204. So another 40% move if it can stay here. Let's see. It's probably getting stuck. I don't know why my screen's so little. Let's see here. Now you just broke above the 618, so 2.8 up to 2.9. If it can stay above that, you're in good shape here. STG. Sub Eldor. Yeah, I think FET's going to be a good one. Oh, I didn't even look at DGen today. Did it ever break through the 382? Chaw says smash the like button. Yes, everyone hit the like button, please. Just help me out a little bit. Polyswarm's going to be listed on LCX. Is that true? Is SCI moving? She's trying to, but she's getting stuck right at that first level. Yeah, SCI does not look bad at all here. We've been saying that, though. Ever since it hit the trend and held the 382, it's time to go up. So if it can get through the 0.5 here, another 4%, this thing should come up 70%, up to about 80 to complete the mission there and hit the new high. It may go higher than that, but that's probably where it's going to come up and get stuck. Yeah, SCI doesn't look bad at all. But mostly everything we've been looking at doesn't look bad. Unless we're just too bullish here. Yeah, someone commented on the GST video. They said, should they buy the shoes if they buy the coin? Yeah, I really wanted FET here too. FET's starting to move. Once it hit that higher low here, hit that, I believe it was the 786. I don't remember. Let's see. Well, the macro 786. It hit the... Oh, the 0.5. It looks good. So where do you think FET's going? How high is ACS going? No idea. I don't know what it is. Like I said, first time looking at it. Access protocol. Right now, there's a good chance you're going to get stuck at 36 here. Depends on what this is and what it does and who's going to buy it. Not too big of a move just to get up to the 786. That's a 4.5x there. If this is something and people are going to buy it on Coinbase, low market cap, a lot of room to run, then maybe this 6 penny range and get a 20x. A little more than a 20x because that's not correct. 23x on it. Yeah, what is DGen doing? What's up, Andre? Taza, he says DGen. Yeah, I gotta adjust my computer. It's making me stretch my arms too much. DGen, where'd she get stuck at? Yeah, we were looking at this last night. It needs to get through the 382. Got stuck right at it. Right at the 382 at 1.5. So as long as you're above this 125 area, just over a penny, that's the price to beat right now. If you can see that. But the bottom, short term right here, the bottom is confirmed in over this level. But this thing's not bullish to push up. Usually when you break through the 382, it should send you up 618 and then the breakout over 2 pennies here. That's what we would like to see, and then that would send you up to the potential 786 on the macro. But it needs to push through this penny and a half. But what else can you say? It's stuck at the moment. 123%. 20 bucks, he says. So I guess that $26, or was that $26 or 26 billion? Yeah, it's just getting stuck right now. Smaller time frames going sideways. It's not a bad thing. Daily candles, it looks like the top is in. It hit the 382 and that's it. She's going down. So until, I mean, it doesn't look bad overall. You guys know this. But it needs to get to these higher levels already. Yeah, FET. What was the target on FET? Come on. Oh yeah, 60 billion, 67 billion to $27. Morgan Spell went up as well. I would imagine every time we look at MOG, it's got a very bullish chart. Yep. Not looking too bad. But there's a good chance, you know, we're moving, but there's a lot of things that are going to start getting stuck again. I don't know. I saw the, what was it? You said spell. But the dominance is starting to fall. Spell. What is spell doing? Yeah, spell's in a good spot now. As long as you stay back over the trend here, the price to beat is 9.6. If it can push through there, then you'll have something. So we're getting a little move on a lot of things, huh? So what is Ethereum doing? Yeah, Ethereum's doing the same thing. Everything's doing the same exact thing. What's up, Alex? How you doing, my man? Degen, the top for Degen. If it ever does anything, $0.50. 9 billion market cap, 50 cents, all the way up here for about a 30. About a 38x on Degen to the top. Speedy on ETH. How about Numeraire? Yeah, that. What was that coin? Seller Network is doing nothing. Seller Network's still bearish. Lower high down below the trend, got stuck right at it, below the 382. So Seller Network is not bullish at the moment. So as long as you're over 1.7 there, that's your support. If we do low to the high, yeah, you're sitting right on the 3.2, so you're trying to be bullish. So if you can hold over pretty much 2 pennies where you're at right now, then you'll have a shot at 2.5 here, but ultimately it needs to get over the 0.5 at 4. Break over the trend. and break the structure that it has in play right now, which is not looking great. But on the smaller time frames, you're just going sideways, as you can see. Seller network. This one's been around for a while. Is this thing gonna hit 50 cents? 2.7 billion market cap and get you over 20x. We had 24.5x. 786 retracement of 5x to 10 pennies. I think it's definitely going to hit 10. I forgot about Chili's. Let's see here. We got 27 people in here. Nice. All we need is a little green candle to spawn in and get people back. Let me write those down. Speedy on ETH and Beats on base. That way when we go to deck screener, hopefully you stick around long enough. Speedy. What's up, Muffin Man? If Alien Base passes 7.7, its next target is $4. Wait, what'd you say? Oh, Alien Base. What is Alien Base doing? ALB. If it passes 7, what are we on? Oh, we're on the weekly chart. No wonder we can't see anything. Well, we have 73 here. Yeah, I think Alien Base is coming all the way up here to the top. Billion market cap to $10. Alien Base is going to be a real good play. Bullish looking overall chart, and then when we finally run, it may go higher than this. This is the top of the fib that we have. So a 40x on Alien Base. But there's a lot of stops in between, I would say, from it to get 77 to $4. Prediction on Cookie. Yeah, we looked at Fed a couple times. It's looking good. It's been looking good where it's been sitting. He says win Lambo, never. VeChain. VeChain's an older coin. I don't know what Pinot is. Appreciate that, Jack Sparrow. Everyone hit the like button. Cookie. I think we looked at Cookie. Cookie. Yeah, Cookie Dow. This one was trending on. Oh, she's going. When did we look at this one last? Yeah, this thing still looks real good here. You're over the 1414, 47. Next stop is 75. That's really all we can say on it right now. Another 25% move, and if you get through 75, it should shoot straight up to about $1.80. 3x out of nowhere. Yeah, this thing's just been going up. Is this some kind of AI play? Yeah, you're over the 236 shorter dollar daily time frame at 43. So as long as you're over 43 and the 1414 on this one, doesn't look bad. As for how high it's going to go, no idea. We don't have the market caps. I don't know what this is. But we can kind of speculate, I guess. Where's this thing at? 60 cents, so maybe $7 for a 12x almost. Top of the fib. $270 for a 463x. Hey, SPX is still going too. Someone said VeChain. Not sure when we looked at VeChain last. Let's zoom her out. Yeah, made a higher high, but it got stuck at the trend. Still holding over 4 here at the 3-2, so you are still bullish. But yeah, VeChain's another one that had that same formation at the bottom. Yeah, we're over the 382 at 4.5, so you're bullish at the moment. Just needs to break through 6. And then ultimately the 618 at 8.5. Is VeChain going to make a run? These old coins seem to be doing pretty well. So VeChain is either going to come up and make a lower high somewhere. If this is the correct chart, I need to update this one. 25 cents maybe and get a 4.5, 5x, or 64. 1272 retracement, 46 billion market cap for 12.5x. Yep, FET and XCN are going to make you rich. What's up, daiquiris? The entry for DGen was when it was down at our box. Every time we covered it. Pinot, strong CTO, 30 million market cap. Pinot, maybe we've looked at it, I don't know. Is this a deck screener coin? Is that a Solana coin? Just tell me that. If it's Pinot on Solana, I'll write it down. We'll go over to deck screener in just a moment. Pinot on Sol. Yeah, I like TAR's AI. Even though it's not doing anything at the moment, it's just consolidating, going sideways. But it's holding over the previous high. Price to beat right now is 40. Yeah, this one's going to have to be updated as well. You can see if this thing's going to come to the top, 10, 11 bucks. Just over $1 billion market cap is a 30x. Got Eldor for 2. I appreciate that. He says Aerodrome versus ABT, which is more bullish. Alright, y'all. On Sol. Yeah, we'll go look at it in just a moment. Sol. What's up, fun guy? He says Extra Finance and DSY. Desync. I think we've looked at that one. Eldor for 2, so we got to go look at Aerodrome. What is Arrow doing? Which is more bullish? I would say right now ABT. Arrow's stuck down below the 236 now and the 786, so and it's not doing anything at the moment. I mean, the overall chart is bullish. We were really bullish on it here, but then it just kind of died, and now it's still dying. Yeah, if ABT's still holding up where it is, just because we watched that same pattern and a nice little rip out of here. Yeah, I like ABT in this consolidation. Yeah, how can you not be bullish on that there? Maybe I'm bullish on it because I had to sit and watch all these other coins. Spell, ALGO, all the coins that were at the bottom with this, and they just left, especially ALGO. Can't believe I missed ALGO. What is desync? I know we looked at it. Destra Network. Let's see here. Oh, she's moving. We must not looked at this in a while because this is back when we were bullish and then everything died again. She's about to break through the high in the 1272. It's where it got stuck twice, but it is double topping, so if it cannot get through 54, she's going down. But she is holding higher highs and higher lows, the curl up here. So it's just gonna finish the structure here if it's gonna end up coming down. Oh, what was I looking for? Yeah, but if it gets stuck here, you need to stay over 45 and 40 to stay bullish. Any lower than that, then coming back to the high. Pump up, double top. Time to come back and back test. Pretty decent drop too, 28% drop. If it cannot get through 54, but if it does get through 54, it should come up and make a new high. That should be what it does now if it's not a double top. Move up 27% to 65. Desync is an AI play. Yeah, you guys got a lot of them coming in. We've only had like 10 to 12, 15 people in here in the last 10 streams. The graph. What are we looking for? A GLQ or a GRT? GRT. Yeah, I don't even know. It's GRT on Coinbase. It doesn't look bad. You just got over the 382 after holding our box, holding the trend, pulling away. Doesn't look bad. This just looks like the Velo chart, like the Ethereum chart. So as long as you're over 24, you're back to being bullish here. Breakout is over the 618 at 62. But this one looks like I'm going to have to update. I don't know if they've released coins in the last year or anything, because these market caps may be wrong. But if we just zoom out on GRT, it needs to get up and make a higher high because it did just make a higher low. But it needs to make a run for the 618 here. 150% move. GRT to an 81 billion market cap. Is that possible? 35x to $8. Maybe it'll spike above and hit 10. You're holding ABT and Arrow. I mean, they're both bullish. It's just I'm more bullish on that one. What's up, Maddie? Manual says render. I appreciate the 2 from Nina and Alex. I appreciate that. Tiva. Yeah, is that the one we looked at last night? Or is that the one you said you made money on? Tiva, let's see. Oh no, she's going to 0. Didn't you say you made profit on this one? All the way down to the 4-hour candles. Yeah, let's see. Doesn't look great. It looks like she's melting away to the 786 here. So broke down below the previous high, not a good look. So another 11% to 3.5. And then if we go low to the high, you're sitting right on the 382. Alright, so you're holding the 382 at 4. Any lower than 4, then you're dropping. Then it's over. It's no longer bullish. So 4 is a big price here. If it does not hold 4, it's done. I appreciate the 2. Yeah, we're gonna have to go over to deck screener in a minute. Ski mask. That's on base, ain't it? Getting a little list up before we go over to deck screener. Oh, you're planning on buying back in. Yeah, just watch 4. If it breaks 4, then you're probably dropping down here and maybe even lower. Which, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, it could come all the way down 618 here, all the way to 2, and then get a bounce right back up, if it's going to do that. Yeah, we looked at Polyswarm. Polyswarm is pushing right now. We can get back to the weekly. There's really only one thing to say on Polyswarm here. She's either coming up here and going to get stuck at 8.7, 23% move, now that you got through the 5 here, or it could stop anywhere it wants. It just made a higher high, so could very well be it for now. And it could pull back to back test the 618, but it's healthy market structure, so nothing to worry about. Don't worry, it's going to drop 30%, but it's all good. But the momentum is clearly up. Looks good here. It'd be real good if it get over the 786 and hold. If that's the case, and we're not even in that phase of the market yet, Polyswarm is going to hit these higher targets here. If Polyswarm can get up here and go sideways. Polyswarm to the moon, almost a $3 billion market cap to $1.50. Alright, we're still live. I mean, that's the targets we have. I don't know what people say this thing's going to. Maybe it goes higher than $1.50. That's a 22x. Alright, let me do something real quick here, because there is another target. But let me pull this one there. Take off the old one. I'll have to fix it. It's now $1.44. But you get the idea. Oh, $5 would be next. Dang. 75x to 5. Where are we at? Ort. Ort. What is Ort doing? Ort still looks good. She's still holding up. If people are going to buy in on Ort, which they've been buying these coins that look like this. So Ort's holding the trend and holding the 236. It's time to make a higher high and start going up. So as long as you're over 14, the 382 is next. You're probably going to end up coming up to the 0.5 and hitting 30. 85% move, and then you'll have another little pullback. If we pull this. So if it doesn't die below 14, it should come up here and do something like this. You get the idea. Ort to a new high, 16x, 750 million market cap. Needs to push through 17. Let's see. I forgot to look at that. Yep. Through 17, you're bullish again. It's getting squeezed right now. 0.5236,382. So 14 and a half or 17. Whichever one breaks is going to tell you where it's going. Polyswarm can easily hit $2, can it? Alright, let's go over to Deck Screener real quick. What's up, David? Puffer Finance. What is that? LimeWire. No idea. This is the last time we looked at LimeWire. LimeWire on the Gate.io chart. She's pulling back. Let's see. LimeWire. Oh, we must have looked at it. No, I don't know. I'd imagine that 3 billion market cap up to 9.5 is 970, $10. That's probably high to the low. Let me just draw it here. But right now, you're down below the 0.5. What are we doing? Low to the high, hit that final support, bounce, got stuck, it's pulling back. So 21 is the price to hold. Down below the 382, so yeah, 236 and the 618 needs to hold. And just real quick. Yeah, it looks like it came up and got stuck at the 0.5 and now it's back below. So pretty much needs to hold 21, break 32. If you think LimeWire is going to hit a 3 billion market cap, then 37x. Velo. Yeah, I'll look one more time at Ort. And then we got to move on. Already retraced and exploded $2 to $3. I mean, if it gets through the point 0.5, it needs to get through the 618 for to confirm over 42 to confirm that it's in its own little bull market. But yeah, I think it can hit that price. It's not necessarily going to explode to that price. No one knows that. Puffer. Have we looked at Puffer? Doesn't sound familiar at all. Puffer Finance. Is that something on Deck Screener? Puffer Finance on Poloniex. We'll see. I don't know if that's the same thing or not. Yeah, I guess it is. Puffer Finance. Let's see what this is doing. Right now, it looks like it's just going sideways. Yeah, you're going sideways. You're holding the 786 at 70. You dip back down. You're back above. Where you guys find these coins at? Yeah, you're sitting right above the 236, so you are bullish over that 786. So as long as you're over 70, you're bullish here. And then next big stop, if you can break over the previous high, would be at 138, 80% move. Uh, 26 people hanging around still. Everyone hit the like button, please. That's going to help out a lot. On the road to 20K subs. Polyswarm has a gym, yeah. Carlo on base. It's on Kraken. Okay. That was the right chart, though, huh? I mean, the right price. What did you say, Carlo? Carlo on base. Alright, we got 5 coins. I guess we're going to go over to Deck Screener real quick. What is this? What is NCT Alliance? What is this? Why is this on my chart? What is this? I don't remember adding that. That's weird. Oh, that must be a stock or something. Yeah, ski mask. I wrote it down. What's up, Kubos? Welcome back. Alright, we're going to go look at PNG and then we're going to Deck Screener. We'll just look at the Coinbase chart. Yep. Every time we look at PNG, it's doing the same spot. It's doing nothing. As long as it's over 30, you're good. At some point, it's going to spike up. A little strong move, a little wedge type of a bull flag pattern. You're holding support. Price to beat is our red box here. Pretty much over the 1618 at 48, 49. All right, let's go look at these on Deck Screener real quick. Yeah, and then we'll come back and do Velodrome. I forgot about Velo. Velo. All right, let's see what we have. Beats on base. I'd imagine. Oh, okay, that's SUI. I'd imagine this is it. Beats. Let's see. Doesn't look bad. It pumped and then it went sideways. Now it's starting to pump again. Let's see. I can't really do anything with no wick down here, but we'll just do it anyway. Yeah, holding the 236 perfectly there, and you're starting to curl up again. So as long as you're over that price, what was it? 0022. And the only other thing we can do with this one is just we're going to go from the high here to the low. 2 million market cap, 13,000 plus holders. Yeah, you just got over the 0.5. So 37, as long as you're over that, 4.4 is the price to beat. And then over 5.6 potential breakout. The overall chart does not look bad here. Potential 185% move up. Hold on. Alright, I had to get a drink. Let's see. Speedy. Yeah, we've looked at Speedy in the past. Alright, I gotta run through these faster. Oh, Speedy's dead. Wow. This thing died from the last time we looked at it. It didn't hold. You guys still holding Speedy? So right now your support to hold is 2.9. I guess we're gonna have to draw another one. Let's see here. See if you're hitting any kind of support. Why is Speedy dying? You just lost the 236. So it looks like you're coming all the way down to the 3.2 at 1. So unless Speedy gets back over 0.005, yeah, you're going to drop another 60% here on this thing. Is Speedy done for? As of right now, if it turns itself around, 28x back to a new high at 8.7. Not bad, but it looks like it's dying right now. Pinot on Sol. I'll get back to the chat in just a moment. Pinot. Pinot. Yeah, I think we looked at this one before. Yeah. Yeah, you smacked right into the 1414, got stuck, and now you're down below the 1272 again. So either coming down to the high, or we're going to draw right here. Low to the high. Yeah, you're sitting right on a 0.5 at 2.5. That's where you held last time. So if you can hold here, potential double bottom, and then maybe it'll go up. Any lower than that, then of course 618 is your last support to hold. Because usually when you break the 618, it's just going to drop 26% drop or 60% drop or 50% drop. There's no telling. But if you can hold 2.5 here, then you need to get back over 3.9, 3.2 to 3.9, and then you're bullish again. All right, I'm gonna have to use two hands now. Just switch real quick. I'll go right back over there. What's next? Ski Mask and Carlo. Ski Mask and Carlo. I'm trying to get caught up on the chat. Hopper, what is Hopper on? All right, let's look at these other coins real quick. What did we say? Ski Mask and Carlo. Ski. Yeah, this is the right chart, I believe. Yeah, this thing's just, it doesn't look bad. It's going sideways. It's all the way up to the top up here. Let's see if it's supporting anything. Real quick, high to the low. Yeah, it's getting stuck right now, right at the 1414 at 26. 267. So you need to break through that to send it up to 6.8. Doesn't look bad though, like I said, the overall chart, it just goes up and goes sideways, goes up and goes sideways. So I'd imagine it's getting ready to go up again at some point. Is this thing going to $1 billion market cap? Yeah, you can see low to the high here, you're holding the 236. So the support is 17 and the price to beat is 2267 there. But next stop up for Ski Mask, let's see. Not a bad move. We'll leave that there to spawn in a new candle in. Almost 170% move to the next resistance at 68. Carlo on base. Yeah, I think we looked at this one too, didn't we? Yeah. It's going sideways, but if you zoom all the way out to the weekly, it looks like a strong move, and then you have yourself a little wedge formed. Bull flag. Looks like it's about to break out here. So as long as you're over 4.2, this thing looks good. It looks like it's ready to go again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch my chair. This chair is killing me right now. Yeah, you just smacked into the 618 at 5.6 high to the low. And now you're pulling back. So you have to get over the 618 here. It did not hold. Come on. So it looks like you're coming down to 4.6 here. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. So if you can get back over 5.5 there, then you'll break that 618 again. But you can clearly see it got stuck. 10% drop right now. But that's on the way smaller time frames. But if you zoom out, it doesn't look bad. 9.5x to the new high at 6 pennies. All right, let's see. Let me get back over to the chat. How long have we been on here? We've been live for an hour. Yeah, let me move this chair. Hold on. All right, we're still here. Man, we lost everyone already. 14 people in here. What were we gonna look at when we came back? Oh yeah, Velodrome. Velo. Are there other people streaming right now? Is that where everyone is? I was actually watching Vision before we got on the stream here. Velo and Velodrome, both good projects. It's not doing anything. There's really nothing to say. You can see we're just kind of sitting here. Let me make sure I got the mic on. Low to the high, you're down below the 3-2, so it's no longer bullish at the moment. So it looks like it topped. It just made a higher high. So the big question is it about to drop all the way back down to the double 618 over the next coming weeks? You are sitting on the macro 786, so that's something at 16. If it can hold here, then that's good. But if it wants to, it could come all the way back down to the trend if it needed to, I guess. But it's pulled pretty far away. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 0.5, 786, 0.5, 16 to 17 here. As long as you're holding that, the big price to beat, of course. Well, let me pull that back up. Is 22 to be bullish again. But yeah, Velodrome's another good one. If you just zoom all the way out here, very bullish looking chart. Just made the higher high. When we go vertical, this thing's going to fly. Depending on your target, we have $1 and then we have $4. I think $4 is the good target on Velo, if I remember correctly. So 5x to $1, or this thing's going to come up here and hit over a 3 billion market cap. $4 and do about a 21x from where it is today if it holds and continues. He says put Pino up again. Come on now. Velodrome, yeah, AIT protocol. Yeah, one AIT, one of the ones that was just completely dying. Where's the AIT chart? Yeah, did any of you guys buy that new one we looked at? The one I made an update on, Centio protocol. Let's see here. So this one, yeah, AIT protocol. Why did this thing die like this? So now we got to redo a whole chart on it because it has a new low. Yeah, this is what I told you guys last time or a couple of streams ago. We're gonna have to change all this now. But AIT protocol, why is that not right? So it looks like it gets stuck at the 382 every time. It's crazy how we pulled this from this low to this low, and it tells you exactly where it was getting stuck. It's like someone knew beforehand where to draw the low at. It looks like the bottom is in. Time to buy this one was down here at 4. Yeah, you're sitting over the 236 low to the high, so as long as you're over 5.5, the bottom is confirmed back in, bullish over 6.9 here, and then that's when it'll start moving up. Yeah, if you can hold 5.5, then that should be the bottom. Ondo. Yeah, did they release their coins yet, or no? It's not late enough in the month yet. No, we like Hondo. I like Hondo. Hondo's going to be a big player this year, I think. Hasn't really moved much, so when they do release the tokens, it's not going to matter much. You're back to holding over the previous high from back here, and you just simply got stuck at the 1272. $2 is your big price to beat. So as long as you stay over 148, excuse me. What is the Ondo target? But that would be your support to watch. Previous high is a good look. Yeah, and you're over the 236 also. About 152. Oh yeah, Ondo I think is going to hit 17 to 20 bucks. Of course, these will change when they release tokens. We'll have to update, but $13 would be a good 8.5x. But I think anywhere from the 17 to $20 is good. 11x to maybe a 13x, and maybe it hits 25, and you get a 16x out of Ondo. Yeah, the dominance is trying to fake us out again. Oh, this one just spawned in. Yeah, this one's gonna get bought back, or not bought back up, but you get the idea. It's gonna do like it did last time, fake us out and go right back up. What are we looking at now? Oh yeah, we gotta go back and look at Pinot, I guess. But yeah, AIT, I have no idea. It made a new low, so we're gonna have to redraw the whole chart. Um, so until it gets the bottom back in and gets bullish and gets back over this trend, you can't really be that bullish on it right now. Could be the bottom. If this thing is gonna be something, then 786 retracement up to 66 is going to give you a 12x, and this market cap's not right anymore, so around the billion market cap, I guess. New high 370, massive 67x almost, now that it died. What's up, Vlad? He says, how's our degen? Yeah, it got stuck at the 382. What's up, Slava? Welcome in, my man. Yeah, let me pull up degen and then I'll pull up the Pinot chart again. Yeah, this is what we were mentioning in the other live streams. Every time we look at degen here, that it's going to come right up to the 382 and get stuck. That's exactly what it did. So if it could push through 15 or 1.5, then you're good and you're bullish here, short term. Not a bad move, but it is getting stuck at the moment. Pinot, let's see, what did we say on Pinot? All right, Pinot on my back, yeah. What did we say on Pinot? Pinot, hopefully you're still here. 1414, smacked right into it. We're not holding the 1272 at 3. So you could be coming back down to the previous high here, but what we did, I think, is went all the way down and just do a simple low high, see what it's going to tell us. And yeah, we hit it last time. So as long as you hold the 0.5 at 2.4 here, then you should move right back up. But you can clearly see you got to be back over the 3.2 to be bullish again. At 3.2, you're at 2.7 at the moment. But the overall chart, if you don't, nitpick it, doesn't look bad here. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It's holding on support at the moment. Could be a double bottom here, and she's about to go up. Pinot. Yeah, where's this thing gonna run to? We'll just keep it simple for now. If you can get back over 3.9 and then 8 over the 1.414 where you got stuck, make a higher high, that should send you up to 22. So if this thing doesn't break structure here, then that should be what happens unless it goes higher. So good. What is that, a 5.5, almost a 6x from? No, we got to switch that. Oh wow, even better. Looking at an 8.5x. If it's going to hold up here and hold the structure, which the whole chart looks bullish here. Pinot on Sol. Man, I can't wait to get some Solana money to gamble. Oh, did I not switch the screen? Oh, come on now. I got to look at it again. Come on, OBS. Let's see here. All right, I got it. We're fixing it. Pinot for the third time. Come on, everything's freezing. Let me refresh because the whole thing's frozen. All right, give me a moment. All right, Pinot, the overall chart. I know you guys heard me, but you didn't see me. So the overall chart looks good here. You're holding higher highs, you're holding higher lows. All those prices we went over. From where you are right now, if this thing runs up to make a new high, should take you up to the 1618 at 22 at 8.5x from where you are right now. Overall chart looks extremely good. And if we go simple low to the high here, let me zoom it in a little bit. Potential double bottom right now, right on the 0.5. As you can see here. So as long as you hold this 248 level, you need to get back over 3.2 and then 3.9 to be short-term and long-term, or short-term bullish, and then the 1.272 there. But not bad, doesn't look bad at all. Did this refresh yet? Alright, did you get that AD? Oh, I didn't even start a poll or anything today. Didn't even cross my mind. Oh, that's that's bearish. Oh, what is new? Nothing. What's up, Brian? Yeah, we've looked at Polyswarm a couple of times. She's flying right now. What did I miss? You missed SUKU, dropped by half hour. Riley says you think Turbo can hit 006 if BTC crashes. It's possible. Turbo. I'd imagine it's still in the same spot, doing nothing. He said 006. I wouldn't think so. I mean, it depends. If Bitcoin crashes down to 80K, then we're all done. I would keep it simple. You know, if it falls below 87 and then 007, then it'll probably send us down to 6 and then 5. But as of now, it's doing nothing. Let's see here. Make sure we got this all on right. SUKU, what did SUKU do? Whoa, SUKU, what happened to SUKU? What happened? Yeah, why did SUKU take a hit here? Wow, that thing broke down. What's up, Undead? Yeah, NC, I read that. LCX will fly past $1. Jorge says Pepe and Shiba. Yeah, what made this crash on SUKU? The positive, you made a slightly higher low off of this low. What did it do? Came all the way back down to the 786. Yeah, there's nothing bullish on SUKU at the moment. You're below 7, you're below 8, bottom's not in anymore. Shiba, what is Shiba doing? Yeah, everyone here hit the like button for me. Help out a little bit, if you would. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I don't like saying that, but sometimes you gotta say it. Ooh. Yeah, is it cold where you guys are at? I know it's cold where you are, Slava. You say you're in Colorado. I'm up here in North Texas and it's been windy all day. It's getting colder. Will LCX make a move at some point? Shiba. She's curling up here. She's been holding the trend. She's over the 0.5 now. Higher highs and higher lows. So as long as you're over 23, then You need to break this 618 and break this structure that you have in play at the moment with the lower high. But until Shiba gets over the 618 and holds and establishes that, let's see the monthly. Yeah, you can see if we go all the way out to the monthly chart, Shiba's extremely bullish. But you have to get a monthly candle over 3-1 here. So we have a month to get a candle up here, or left on this candle. But the overall Shiba chart here, this is the Coinbase chart, by the way. The big, huge double bottom, the higher low. She's ready to go vertical for the bull run. Yeah, I think Shiba's going to hit 100 billion plus. As of right now, that takes you up to 18, 3 zeros, 18 for a 7.5x on Shiba. So is virtual still running? I would imagine it is. Yeah, where's Matthew at? Is he making too much money on virtuals? Pepe's going to be a winner. Very bullish looking chart over the 1618. I'd imagine Pepe's on a ton of exchanges. Yeah, Pepe hasn't moved since we looked at it last. It's consolidating here on the macro weekly chart. Higher highs, higher lows, over 16. Price to beat is 3.5. And then Pepe, 100 billion market cap, 113 billion to 3027 for another 13.5, almost a 14x. Heck, maybe Shiba, or maybe Pepe is going to come all the way to the top here. Can you imagine when we finally really flip bullish, they flip that switch on? When everyone and their mother piles into these coins. Pepe is going to go vertical. It's probably not going to stop at 100 billion market cap. What's up? I farted. What'd we say? Oh yeah, what is virtuals doing? Yeah, is anyone here by virtual? Bought the bottom? Let's see. But yeah, this thing came out. This is why I'm so bullish on that other newer coin. That Joe came in here and spoon fed us. Still waiting on, if you're in here, Joe, I don't know if you are or not, but I'm still waiting on your update on that one. On Centio. Yeah, if you bought this thing down in here, this thing's almost done. Well, I guess it did do 100x already. Wow, 120x. And it's still going. What is this thing gonna do? Wow, can this thing really 1000x? Almost a 2000x. Virtuals to 80 bucks. Wow. All right. Yeah, I'll go look at LCX in just a moment. But this Sin one has the same exact chart, and it's already going. Go all the way down, 4-hour chart. Let's pull this over. Yeah, she's getting stuck right now, but we looked at it right back in here. I think it was right on these two candles here. Now she's moving. Brand new AI agent coin here. So where's this one gonna run to? Oh dang. 5x, $3. Heck, the other one started out at what, a penny, and now it's at $4. Let's see here. LCX for the win. What are we doing on LCX? Still holding in our wedge pattern. Still holding, let's see, I think it's holding 382. No, it's below the 236 now. Hit the 382. So it's still technically bullish over 21. And if this wedge plays out here on the larger time frame, it should have a nice move back up. 35 to 40 and then, or 35, and then it should run. But yeah, you said past $1. New high is 166x. Almost $1.5 billion market cap. Excuse me. I gotta get a drink or something. 475, $5 on LCX. Is that fair? 4 billion market cap, 18.5x. Or is that too high? Yeah, we still got 20 people in here. You guys are quiet. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, we looked at AIT. We did that one. 90. What do you mean by 90? Yeah, not a problem, Jorge. Yeah, I'm saying your name right, ain't I? We got Master says Sandbox. What's up, Undead? What's up, Rainy Day? Rainy Day Stashin'. Did you change your name? Or was that always it? More downside before we launch. He says be quiet. Sandbox did a 25x last run. Yeah, I had a Sandbox. I had it on, gonna make a video on it like last week and I just forgot about it. I'm gonna try to cover every coin there is. I'm just gonna cover every coin there is out there. Yeah, Sandbox, is it gonna run this cycle? Did a 25x, it's an old coin now. Do people still play this or use it? New high on this one takes you up to 23.55 billion for about a 36x. And then 10 billion, 9 billion would get you a 6x up to, what did I say? Yeah, 6x to the 786 at 385. 9 to 10 billion market cap, and then yeah, about a 36x to the new high here. But it's still down here doing nothing. Still not bullish over the 382. Yeah, it looks like you're forming a wedge pattern too, and it looks like it may be breaking out at the moment. So as long as you're over 50, 86 is the price to beat here. Hype. Oh no, that was a different. I was thinking of sunny day. I think rainy day, and sunny day. Hype. You talking about the Bitcoin chart? Oh no, look at Flux KuCoin chart. Flux. Oh, I get you. It's hot where you're at. Hype. Hyperliquid. Of course, we have two different charts. What is Hyperliquid doing? Pretty much, you're holding over the 382. And if we go high to the low here, this gets us our targets to the upside. So where's this thing going? I haven't done a full chart on Hype yet, I guess. I would have swore I did an update on the channel for it, so it should have something on it. Let's see here. Maybe it's on the other one. So no, it covered it once. KuCoin, Gate.io. What is this crap? Yeah, I don't even know what to make of this. What is this? Why is there one line? It's odd. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the Hype. I guess this was it. So bottom is not technically in. You're making lower highs and lower lows. So as long as you're below 24.27, then it looks like it's coming back down to the 382 once again at 22. But yeah, I'll have to make a new chart for this. It's just ridiculous. But if this thing comes all the way up to the top of the fib here, 170 would be the 4236 and a 6x. Arrow, Shib, yeah, we looked at those, but we'll go back to them, I guess. You say $300 plus XRP. You got that good hopium, huh? 300 plus. Flux on the KuCoin chart. Let's see what chart we have. Is it only on the KuCoin chart? Flux, let's see here. Would you say inverse? Are you talking about this here? Can't draw. Jeez. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. It's going to break out and go to the moon. Doesn't look bad. What I see is the very large monthly double bottom with the higher low curl up. So inverse, head and shoulders, double bottom, it all looks good. But yeah, we looked at SHIB already. It's not really doing anything. It's curled up here, holding over the large trend over the 0.5, so it's not bad. It needs to break the structure here, the lower high 618 marker. Come on. But until it gets over this 3-1 area, which is this what we said with the monthly? Yeah, if we go out to the monthly, you'll know Shiba's in a bull run when you get a monthly candle close above 3-1 here over the 618. You can see we have not done that yet. And then Shiba 100 billion plus market cap, I think. If I had Shiba, I would get out here at 3018 and get my little 7.5, 8x. Flux is your biggest bag. XRP. What's XRP doing? Last time we looked at XRP, it looked good. Yep, still in the pattern, potentially breaking out right now, slowly. Continuation pattern to the upside. Next stop is 330. Maybe that's what you meant, 330, not 300. Is there even a 300 chart? Let's see here. I still think $5 to $8. If it goes higher than that, then all you silver and all you guys that are bullish on XRP, I hope you are right. It goes higher than $5 to $8, then congratulations. Yeah, I hope it moons for you too, rainy day. That dude just got a $10,000 loan. Now, only thing is what coins to buy. You got a loan to put in crypto? 5x to pay off all my debt. Yeah, that's what I need too. That's all I need is 10 grand in the market. Get myself out of debt. We got Joe in the house. What's up, my man? Yeah, I'm still waiting for your update on that coin. I'm bullish on that coin. I'm glad you pointed it out. If it's going to be better than virtuals, then it could be a really good play. I just need 1000x, that's all. Can you look at Pingu? Yeah, I saw Pingu was flying. Yeah, give me just a moment. I'll be right back. I gotta go grab something. All right, I'm back. I think, yeah. Oh, what's up, JN? Alfredo says movement chart. Oh, tickers move. Okay. You'll be releasing the video this week. Just finished packing your bags. Yeah, I wish I had more to pack in it, but it is what it is. He says GHST and then move. I know we haven't looked at move. I don't remember movement. Ghost, what is Ghost doing? Nah, Ghost is doing nothing. It's not bullish at all. I mean, you're curled up here with the higher highs and higher lows, but you're getting stuck 0.5, and then you're just sitting here. As long as it doesn't pull a SUKU. SUKU was in here, and SUKU just came all the way back down to the green support line. But I mean, if there ever was a time to buy it, this is probably it. Hasn't done anything yet. Yeah, he just hit the 618 and held. Wick down to the 786, making higher lows, so it looks good here. But like I said, it's not bullish at the moment. But looks good for a bottom is what I'm trying to say. And then once it's over 150, let's see here. Yeah, where's Ghost going to? Billion market cap? $5 is a little 5x, and then 8.5x to $9 to $10, half a billion almost. And then almost $1.5 billion would be 25, 26x to $27. Is that possible? I honestly don't even know what Ghost is. I'm trying to get to where I watch these videos now and learn what these coins are. But there's so many of them. Move. When Ghost goes parabolic, it can. When Ghost pumps, can go parabolic. Yeah, SCI. I believe we looked at SCI already. SCI is in a good spot to buy. Not financial advice, of course, but it's holding the trend, the 382, and she should run up to 80, make a new high, if not higher. Yeah, SCI is going to be a real good play. Let's see. Wow, we only got 9 people left in here. I guess it's time to end. Can we look at the ABT charts? Oh yeah, move. I forgot move. Yeah, all you guys coming in here late, please hit the like button for me. It's going to make up for the bearish streams we've been having. No one's in here anymore watching. Super chats are pretty much dead. We need the market to wake up already. Save the bull run, somebody. Move. I guess this is it. I guess we did look at it. Move. Came out and pumped, and it's just going sideways now. I don't know why I moved that. But right now, it keeps getting stuck at the 786, so your support, let me pull this up so we can see it actually, is pretty much $1, $1.02 there, and then once this thing breaks out over the 118 level here, which you can clearly see, this is the early days of Arrow. Uh-oh, we're gonna have a runner here. This is the early days of Aerodrome, and and the earlier days of Caspa. Caspa and Arrow did the same thing here. Higher lows, and they were pretty much getting stuck at the same spot, especially on a smaller time frame like this, like the daily. So once you get over the 786, this thing's going to start running. Move. Everyone pile into move. She's going to run. Not sure how much of a run, but well, I guess we could kind of guess with the measured move here. Yeah, we'll just keep it simple. Or something like that. If that's correct. Yeah, 61618 in play. Potentially. 240, 120% spike up. And where is it going? No idea. Top of the fib maybe, since it's such a small time frame. 21x to 23. Yeah, the move chart does not look bad there. What's up, Nick? He says Crow Coin. Crow. IO looks good. What is IO? IO. Yeah, you're sitting over the 618s, double top, going to 0. So this one, where's this one going to? I don't know what this is, but as long as you're over the 618 here, and yeah, we'll probably get through these couple of coins and that'll be it, because there's no one here. Yeah, you're over the 236 at 350 up to 356. You're in a good spot here. This thing definitely is going to hit a new high. So $1 billion market cap, 2x. 2 billion would be 4.5x to 17. I don't know what IO is going to do, so. Yeah, we're going to wait and see what happens when the new administration gets in office. Maybe something will happen. SUKU not a good buy. Nah, SUKU just put in, I don't know. I can't really answer that. I don't know why SUKU just died. I guess if you bought that bottom wick low, maybe you bought the bottom. Because it came right back down to the 786, that green support line that we've had on the chart forever. Yeah. But nothing looks bullish on it at the moment. What's up, R6? Hold on. ALs, yeah, I saw ALs was running. Oh yeah, Crow coin. What is Crow doing? Crow's going to $2 because Crow sucks. Yeah, I didn't know you could buy Crow on Coinbase. Crow, you're sitting over the 382. Down below the trend, so you are bullish technically, but you can see clearly you have to get back over the trend, back over 21 for any kind of movement up, and then confirmed over 30. Then Crow to $2, 56.8 billion market cap, and a 13x. Uh, could be sitting in a bull flag here, so it could be bullish here. As you can see, strong move up and then the consolidation in this little pattern here. So yeah, wedge, bull flag, whatever. Yeah, now that we look at it better, it doesn't look too bad. As long as you stay over 15. And you're sitting right on the 382 also, so double support there, and you are bullish short term and macro. AOS. Why did I type? AOS. I didn't realize we had a KuCoin AOS chart. Yeah, the AOS update's coming up soon. Probably be one of the first ones tomorrow. But low to the high, not looking bad. It held the 382. You're back above the 236. You're just getting stuck right now. So as long as you're over 96, you're good. Price to beat is 119. All these weekly candles just get stuck right at it with the candle body. So if you get over 119, you're in good shape. Yeah, she's getting stuck right now on the smaller time frames. But as long as you hold 96, even down to 7.8 here, it could come back down. And AOS, where's this one going? I guess 25 billion market cap, 20x to $20, $21, $22. GFI. Oh, what am I trying to do here? Yeah, what is GFI doing? She's still holding up. She hit the 618, pretty much back tested the downtrend that it did break. So real short term, as long as you're over 148, any lower than that, then you're going to fall back down in the trend again. Downtrend, that is. But you're still making lower highs overall. But you did break. You're just simply back testing here. I'd keep it that simple. If you can hold there, 195 is the price to get over. And then GFI. Goldfinch. Where did we say Goldfinch is going to? Potentially a new high and $50 for 30x. Or it's going to make a lower high. No. That, I think, is the all-time high according to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. But this is the best chart we could find at 43. So maybe it hits $50 and you get a 30x. Any higher than that, 100x, 15 billion market cap. Depends on where you think this thing's going to hit market cap wise. Ooh. What's the top meme coins you recommend investing in? None. I don't recommend anything to invest in. This is entertainment only. But the top meme coins, hold on. All these coins they piled onto Coinbase. Pepe, GigaChad, Whiff. What else is there? Bonk, Turbo, Andy, Mog. It just seems like those are going to perform. Brett also. They're going to perform like Shiba did last cycle. They're going to be like the new Shibas of this cycle. There's all these big meme coins they came out with. What's another one? Mudang. and several others. I can't remember the name of them. All right, I guess we'll leave it at that. Another good 2-hour live stream. Not too many glitches this time. We'll see what tomorrow brings. What's tomorrow? Monday. Yeah, tomorrow is Monday. What is Bitcoin at? I don't even think I looked at Bitcoin today. Still doing nothing. All right, everyone, hit the like button on your way out. It's going to be much appreciated. Appreciate you guys coming in here and hanging out for a little bit every day. Got a couple more people than we've been having, but it's still pretty bearish overall. With that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.